So welcome back everyone, Mike here. I have a lot to do today, so I broke it down into two categories. What I need to do and what I want to do. So some of the things that I need to do are I need to cut my mom's grass and my sister's grass and the grass down at the brick house. I need to do that, but I'll probably wait till later on this afternoon when it dries up a little bit. I also need to overseed and kind of clean up a section of the lawn here right by the house. Early in the spring I did a video, can you grow grass in shady areas? Where this area behind me, I'll show you in a little bit. I raked it all up with a rake on the tractor. It was pretty much bare dirt and seeded it. But every year it's the same problem over and over again. You can get grass to grow in the spring, but throughout summer it gets hot and it just kind of bakes out, and then with all the shade it doesn't last. Now this year it looks a lot better than it has in years past. So I'm going to just blow all the leaves and the debris off of it and overseed it. And so maybe we can stay out of the mud this winter. We'll see. So I need to do that as well. Some things that I want to do. I want to go check trail cameras. Haven't done that in a long time. And while I'm out there, I might as well kill two birds with one stone. I'll take the Ranger out and maybe gather a couple loads of firewood and bring back. I want to do that. I'd like to split some wood, try out those new totes that I had. That video is right here. New way to kind of store and transport firewood that I'm going to try. There's a whole bunch of other stuff too, but anyway, I'll get started. So at this point I don't even know what the title of this video is going to be. We'll just kind of see how it shakes out. So if those things are kind of interesting to you and you do the same sorts of things, stick around and we'll see how it goes. So this is that section of lawn I was talking about. I mean, it's still a little bit green, but it's really thin. Better than past years, but I'm going to just try to clean up all those leaves and debris. I'll use the blower, overseed it, see what happens. Problem here is this: there's way too many trees and too much shade, but what I'm about to do can't hurt. It's the way I see it. If you have a lot of leaves in your yard, I'm telling you, you need one of these. For years I used a Husqvarna backpack blower, and I mean it was 12, 13 years old and it worked fine, it ran fine, and you know, you think, hey, it's doing its job. And then when this BR 700 showed up, I'm telling you what, it's unbelievable. It will literally cut my time probably in half, if not even better than that this fall. I'm actually looking forward to leaves hitting the ground this year, having this around.
Still remember, cannot forget the flower in your hair. Looking forward, listen to my heart, listen and shed a tear. Waiting for you long time, baby, was so hard for me to do. You said me and you forever will be one, but now you're gone. And I still remember, cannot forget the brightness of your smile. Soft embraces,
check trail cameras, but I better focus on what I need to do. So now I'm gonna head down, cut my mom's grass and my sister's. Well, I got everything done that I needed to get done today, and I got about an hour and a half of daylight left, so now I'm going to do what I want to do, and that is go get some memory cards out of some trail cameras and maybe a little firewood out of the woods. Just saw a few deer down here. See that doe right there? There's a pretty decent buck with him. I don't know where he's at. Another doe right up there. I don't know if you can see it with this little camera. Just took off. That buck's over there. There's no way you're gonna see it. I'll try to zoom in when I edit it, but yeah, it's a pretty decent buck right there. Right down in there. He's not huge, but he's pretty decent. Should have had my other camera. Carry on. Look at this mess here. We're going to investigate this a little bit. We had some pretty good winds the other night. This oak tree here broke off, tangled up there. And over here I got a cherry tree that's broke off. And then it took a little maple down. This is what I was talking about before. There was just non-stop trees falling down, dying. It's a pretty decent cherry, but look down there at the base. Had a few bugs, woodpeckers. Drill it full of holes. And the tree was rotted at the base, but I believe it was still alive. Yeah, it's definitely still green. Huh. But yeah, this oak tree here, that's a mess. I think I'll just let that one go. Okay, I'm getting sidetracked. I gotta go head to the trail cams. Got more little trees down up here. I'll have to clean this up. There's always something to do, isn't there? Every time the wind blows. Straight ahead is the community food plot that I helped my neighbor on there earlier in the year. I'm actually going to take this camera down. I've had it up here probably a month and a half, something like that. Old Ranger still looks pretty good. It's 4 or 5 years old, I think now. Well, I found another tree that was blocking the trail, so I couldn't get to the other camera I wanted to get. I'll get it maybe later this week. But I'm gonna round up a little bit of this oak here, take back now. So that's a nice little Jagger red oak right there. Now when I'm, like in firewood mode, like on a Saturday morning, if you have 4 or 5 hours, I'll bring like the RK37 and that King Cutter dump trailer out. It hauls a lot more wood than the Ranger, but like an evening like tonight, I'm out checking trail cameras, take the Ranger, stop, might as well haul a load of wood in with you. It works really well for that. Remember at the beginning of this video I said I didn't know what the title of this video would even be because it's just a whole bunch of little stuff going on. Well, I just checked the YouTubes and I didn't even know we were that close, but we just hit 30,000 subscribers just a few minutes ago. And that is really cool and I really appreciate it. So yeah, that's pretty exciting news. 30,000 subscribers. When we first started this channel, I never envisioned that. I really didn't. I had no idea what to expect. I didn't even know if I'd still be doing it now. But I owe everybody that watches these videos and comments a big thank you. We really appreciate it. I follow several other channels, and if you read through the comments on ours, it's a really good group of people. And I know that just sounds like I'm saying it, but it is. I mean, they're just people like us, and we enjoy this type of lifestyle. We enjoy the outdoors, working on your property, things like that, and it's just really been fun. So the plan is just to stay the course, keep going, and I'm going to keep doing this as long as it's fun, and it just keeps getting better. But anyway, like I always say, if you enjoy these videos, please hit the like button, click subscribe, and share them with your friends. Thanks.